Do you want how to create a Google account? We'll guide you through how to create a Google account. First, open the Google app. Search for google.com in Google. Page like this will open. Now go to the top right side and tap Sign In or your profile if you already have an account. Show More Account Settings lets you see other Google accounts signed in on your device, so it's easier to switch or manage them. Tap on Show More Account. The Add Another Account setting lets you sign in with a new Google account without signing out of the current one. Tap on Add Another Account. Create Account setting lets you make a new Google account with a unique email and password. Select Create Account. For My Personal Use option means the account is for personal use, not business. For Work or My Business option is for business use with tools and services for work. I'm selecting for My Personal Use. Enter Your Name field asks for your first and last name so Google can personalize your account. So enter your first and last name. Then tap Next. The Enter Your Birthday and Gender setting asks for your date of birth and gender to personalize services and improve security. Make sure to enter it. Then tap Next. Create a Gmail address option lets you choose a unique email name for your account. I'm selecting the first option. Then tap Next. Create a strong password setting asks you to make a secure password using letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. So make sure your password is strong. Then tap Next. Privacy and Terms section explains how Google uses and protects your data. If you want, read it, then scroll down and tap I agree. Your Google account is ready to use. Got any problem? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching.